Okay, I'm still working on my fairy journal. I've decided to put some more words and phrases into this journal. This one says, believe in fairies. I'm going to make a pocket on this page. So I have this image from Tailor Made Journals that I have backed onto book page. And I'm just going to run some glue on the right side and across the bottom. I'm going to put this tabbed index card into this pocket. Now this piece that says fairies welcome, I'm only going to run glue across each side. And I'm going to kind of use that to tighten the pocket up. The pocket will be completely closed in a way. So I'm going to glue one side to the page and one side to the image so that I still have enough room for that index card to pull in and out. But it tightens down that left corner of that pocket. So instead of being a tuck, now it's a full pocket. Hopefully that makes sense. As I mentioned in a previous video, I wanted to add some more words or phrases or quotes to the journal cards that I had already created. This one says wonderful fairy tale, and I'm just trying to decide where I want to place it, and then I will glue it onto the journal card. Okay, and then on to the next one. This one says fairies dance. Thought it was appropriate with all the little fairies dancing around in the light. Now I am going to end up covering up that owl in the top right corner, but I was okay with covering him up and not covering up anything else on this image. Sometimes we make little sacrifices like this so that things fit, because I still want to run some ribbon or something across the top of this journal card. This is my process. This is how I build up all the different layers. So this one says never grow up. I think I'm going to put it in the center, play with it for a little bit, figure out where I want it. And then I will just glue this one down. And you can find these images from TaylorMade Journals over on her Etsy shop. I'm using two different kits. One is one of her fairy kits, and the other one is called Once Upon a Time. I think it's Fairy Garden Kit 1 or Garden Fairy Kit 1, and then Once Upon a Time is the other kit. And then the words, phrases, and quotes that I'm using are from Adamo prints, also on Etsy. I'll be back with another video shortly. Thanks for watching, guys.